they are staying in the ashram of Gautam Rishi. Then Gautam Rishi's wife, she was very beautiful at that time. So Indra and Chandra, they are so much last year coming. Right? Yeah. So they, one day early in the morning, then Gautam Rishi, he went to take bath in the river. Then then Indra, he disguised the form of Gautam Rishi. Then he entered in the room of Ahilya. Gautam Rishi's wife's name is Ahilya. Then, but by Jogmaya, that time, Gautam Rishi very quickly returned back from taking baths in a river. Then he saw Chandra is outside of his room.
Take care.
And that time Gautam Rishi thinking, why is he there? Then Gautam Rishi, not ordinary person. Gautam Rishi become very angry, or must be some big thing. Gautam Rishi become very angry and he took his asan, Ujinasan. Ujinasan means that time Rishi Munis, they used the asan of deer skin. Ujin means deer skin. And deer skin he also beat to Chandra. Then Chandra ran away. For this regard, our scripture explain in the black spot on the Chandra moon, that is actually that is the Sinta.
That's not good.
Then Indra, when he realized, oh, Gautam Rishi has come, then he ran away. Then Gautam Rishi also gave cars to Indra. Indra, your body should be Then also Gautam Rishi gave cars his wife Ahilya. Ahilya is Satinari. She has no fault. But in this Lila, Gautam Rishi, he gave cars to Ahilya. You have to become stone. When Ahilya stone, he said, no, my offense, I don't know anything. What happened? Well, anyhow, Indra has come to your room. But I already gave cars. Then Ahilya hold the lotus feet of Gautam. What is the fish? No?
Yes, the fish will jump. O peixe está pulando ali no mar.
So Ahilya told how will also perform your cars. That is when Ramchandra will come. Ramchandra will come, just catch the lotus feet of Lord Ramchandra, then he will be alive. That is Ramchandra, he comes in Treta Yuga, not Dapar Yuga. So now Satta Yuga. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Satta, Dapar, Treta, Kali. So Ramchandra, he comes in Treta Yuga. Understand? Treta Yuga, 1/3. So now it's Satta Yuga, then Dapar Yuga, then Treta Yuga, then Ramchandra Yuga. So how to do it? That time Gautam Rishi told, okay, now we'll change the cycle of this Jugal. Then Gautam Rishi with his own tapasya, he also changed. Then it is Satta, Treta, then Dapar, then Kali. So after Satta Yuga, then Gautam, what is called? Ramchandra came Treta Yuga. Ramchandra. And Ramchandra, he came in Viswamitra in that place after killing the Karakasur. Then Ramchandra and Vasishtha Lakshman, they proceed to Janakpuri. On the way, that time Ramchandra, he also stepped on the feet of the stone of Ahilya. This is Katharina. That's what I call this.
But Ahilya had no fault.
Who's
Ahilya.
Ahilya has no fault. Doing this Leela. Indra also not ordinary person. Actually, Indra, he is not lust person. Sometimes they are doing this. Indra, Brahma, they are not human beings. That is not lust person. That yogna, they are doing this lila. And Brahmaji, he runs. What is called? Behind his daughter. What is his name? I think Sandha. That time Murji, there is his 6 sons. They also laughed and joked with Brahmaji. Then Brahmaji gives cars to them. Okay, only you have to kill with the hand of your father. That the Murji's 6 sons appeared in the womb of Devaki. Devaki Sadagarbha. Then 6 sons. And in previous life, actual, that is Kalnemi. Kalnemi, Kalnemi actually is, what is called? Son of, the father of 6 sons of Mori. Then he comes out, kill the 6 sons of Devaki. Many villages, many Quran has another also, first times, what is that? Another called Gautam Rishi. His name also Gautam Rishi. Not this Gautam Rishi. All us, another Gautam Rishi. Gautam Rishi, he was very powerful Rishi. And so once, not rain coming. So there are no rains. What is called? English? No rain? Huh? Drop. Huh? What is English word?
Drought.
Sita, do you know? When no rain is coming, what is called?
Drought.
When no rain is coming,
Sequía, ¿cómo se dice en inglés?
Drought.
Huh?
Drought.
Drought. Drought. No rain. So, Rishi Munis, they also thinking what to do. Eh? So, how they maintain their life. Rishi Munis, they also that time, and taking the alms from the householder, but householder has no rain, no grains, nothing. Rishi Munis think, where will we go? Have to leave that place, go to another place. Then Gautam Rishi, but which is tapasya. But his ashram completely was full of grains and everything. Then all Rishi Munis beg to Gautam Rishi, oh, may can stay your ashram? Gautam Rishi, yes, you can stay here. But you can stay my ashram without my permission, you cannot go out. This is the condition. I can give shelter to you. This is the time of, what is called? I'm not Catholic. Drugs.
Yes.
You cannot go out.
Yeah.
You can stay here, but without my permission cannot go. Then if somebody says, then think, okay, but you can go out if I have any fault. They can go. Otherwise, cannot
Okay.
go. So, but all Rishi Munis, they were staying in the ashram of Gautam Rishi. But Gautam Rishi, he did not give any permission. Then after a few months, rain coming, Rishi Munis, they told, we have to return back our ashram. But Gautam Rishi did not give permission. How they will go out? Otherwise Gautam Rishi will give curse. Then Gautam Rishi, they thought, all Rishi Munis thinking, okay, we will make one thing. Accuse,
Yeah.
blame
Yes.
to Gautam Rishi.
He has fault.
Fault. He has no fault, but we will make one fault. Then that Rishi Muni, they also made one cow with the grass.
Yeah.
And that cow, they put on the steps of the river where we used to take bath. They put there the cow. That is not ordinary cow. That's a false cow.
Yeah.
Gautam Rishi, every night, every early in the morning, Brahmamutta, he goes to take bath in the river. But that time also a little bit dark. Gautam Rishi, he touched the cow, and that cow also rolling. I'm this sound coming, and that cow, then what is called? Now I'm also going to the strong river, and strong current of the river. Then all the Muni Rishis, they blame. Oh, Gautam Rishi, he killed cow, Gohatta. So one who killed Gohatta, we cannot stay here. He is Mahapapi. Huh? They just, then they also ran away. Then Gautam Rishi, oh, how possible I killed the cow? Huh? Then Gautam Rishi, again he meditated. Then he realized, oh, Rishi Muni is there. They
Cheating.
cheat to me. I am not killer of the cows, not Gohatta Muni. Then Gautam Rishi, he gave curse the Rishi Muni. You will not? Not rain. And that time Rishi Muni, they all the shop, Gautam Rishi. Yeah, then also when Ramchandra. Oh, Gautam Rishi. This katha in the Ramayana. This katha Vasishtha Maharaj, he told to Dasharatha Maharaj. Connection about this. Anyhow, then Gautam Rishi, he told when Ramchandra will come, then, and that time rain will come. Just this part. So that time they always say Ramchandra will come Treta Yuga. Now he is Satya Yuga. Now he is Dapur Yuga. No, Treta Yuga. What Yuga? Satya Yuga. So after Satya, then Dapur, then Treta Yuga.
Yeah.
That time
Also change it.
change this. Yes, perfect. Yeah, that time this is not very much. Other things is run to all the water of the ocean. You cannot drink one. You cannot.
One drop.
One drop. Yeah. Other things is very all water.
John Murishi also, John Murishi drinking Gangana.
Yeah, the music.
Nowadays,
Muni Rishi?
yes, nowadays.
Are they all Munis? You are all Muni Rishi. Kaliyug, those who are chanting Holy Name, they are Muni Rishi. Kaliyug, you don't need to saying the mystic power. Chant Holy Name, they go to the power. Huh? Not say namaskar. Understand?
Right.
Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, when you were preaching in USA, that time one person asked, oh, we heard the Indian sadhu, they know many mystic power. So, do you know some mystic power? Have you any? Well, yes, why not? Well, what is the mystic power? What you are showing to us? Well, look, Almighty Savior. Well, what is that? Arey, before they are hippie, now they are hippie. This is not my mystic power. He directly told this katha.
Because Gautam, he cannot change those Munis' nature. They say Gautam Rishi Ashram, but their nature, also they're trying to cheat. At the end, trying to cheat.
You can
They
do.
cannot change it.
The Leela, how to do Leela.
Very
Sadhu
simple.
Rishi, they do everything for the dependent Krishna. As by Bhishma Pitama. Bhishma Pitamaha, he knows the Kauravas, they are stupid nonsense. They are doing sinful activity, they know. So why he did not give to them? Because Krishna knows these things. Krishna wants to make these things. So Pitamaha is Mahajan, Dadas among of the 12 Mahajan, Dadas Mahajan. So you cannot say this and blame him. But according to Leela, then another one, Krishna told to Arjuna, you killed all their demons. Kurunno hatva sajana mahave. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter. Arjun Sada Yoga. Arjun thinking, how possible I will kill my grandfather and Bhishma Pitamaha and also Guru Dronacharya, Kripacharya, all these. Guru no hatva sajano. Then Krishna told they are not guru. All they are demons. Well, how possible? Because those who are, what is it called? To support the demon, they are also demons. You will not put the fire other's house, but you are support, that you are also an offender. Our Krishna told, kill today. Now another question is coming, how Arjuna he killed? So, Bhishma Pitamaha. Not possible. Bhishma Pitamaha, he got vindication. Ichha Mittu Varam. Ichha Mittu Varam means, according to his own desire, he can give up his body. Then he can Ichha Mittu Varam. So how possible Arjuna will kill Dronacharya? And how possible Arjuna he will defeat to Guru Dronacharya? And not so everything is there. How Arjuna he defeats to Karna. Karna is not ordinary person also. Karna has Kundal and Kavach. No one killed to him. Until staying in his body on Kundal. Kundal instead. And Kavach on his chest. Arjuna can, no one can kill him. Or even not, even the Krishna will not do it. What to do? So how to defeat to them? In Kaurav, that is in there as well. And also Aswathama. Aswathama, the son of Dronacharya. Aswathama also got benediction. He will be alive 4 yugas. So how possible Arjuna will kill? Even Krishna cannot kill. Because Ushakra cannot return back. Have to return back. Because they took benediction, they got benediction. So how Arjuna will give it to them? Then Krishna told Arjuna, don't worry, just sarvadharma parittajam mamekam saranam bhajam aham tam sarvabhipam moksham. Krishna knows how to give it to them. This Mahabharata is very Mahabharata main thing is what? To teaching to us Gita, Gita Sar, the essential. Arjuna lakha kariya Krishna jivere vijan sab shiksha. Krishna, he gives the instruction to us just through Arjuna. Arjuna has no limitation. Arjuna has nothing. But just doing this Leela. Where you are coming? You are go more?
Yeah, more. So much more. Like a hotel party. Ay, pasobra ka ba?
I remember this morning Gurudev that time was not giving Diksha initiation, nothing. Just he gave the Harinam. Harinam Diksha. Not giving the Gayatri Mantra. Because according to the rules of Gaudiya Vedanta Committee, Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he need to give Gayatri Mantra. So, in Amavasya, that time we also travel with Gurudev. Gurudev into that time he was, what is called? India the on the festival? Kumbh Mela. Huh? Kumbh Mela. Huh? Mark my Kumbh Mela. The Kumbh Mela was going on in Allahabad. Huh? Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, Triveni. Then you got the 2 buses. The Gurudev also arranged. 2 buses. Yeah, all Brijavasis. With Gurudev will travel. And that is this time. And Kumbh Mela, that's the Moni Amavasya. That is the one auspicious time. In Kumbh Mela you will go, they are showing which day is the super excellent auspicious and you can take bath. So that time the Kumbh Mela and that time also, what is called? Moni Amavasya. All we took bath with the Gurudev in Triveni. The Ganga, Jamuna, Allahabad. That time also Gurudev appearance there. But in Mathura, one disciple of Bamanga Singh Maharaj, he also took vow. Every mono Amavasya, he will do fire sacrifice. That time every mono Amavasya was going with Gurudev. That time no one knows the Gurudev appearance. That time Gurudev he did not tell to anyone. Later we will find out. That time Gurudev he did not tell to anyone his appearance. But he did in his house Moni Amavasya. Fire sacrifice. I came many times. I also did fire sacrifice. Gurudev told, okay, come do fire sacrifice. Most of the time I do fire sacrifice and on behalf of Gurudev.
But you didn't know it was his Vyasa Puja.
Huh?
You didn't know it was his Vyasa Puja.
Who?
You. When he's telling you.
No, he did not tell to anyone his appearance the Moni Amavasya. Understand? But later we will find out. Also Madhav Maharaj, he did not know.
You know.
He did not tell anyone. This one or more of mine.
Shabama Maharaj once sevak is asking maybe Shabama Maharaj once sevak.
Who sevak?
Your Gurudev, Shabama Bamanga. Is
Yeah.
it Sundarananda?
Sundarananda Prabhu, yeah.
And some dying and he.
Yeah. He left in the current shot. You know? And that time was before Kartik, which something did. That time was Siliguri, Gurudev was there, and he also doing something with the electricity. No? Then he started, and then
Guru, if Guru does want, if Maharaj didn't want to change, that was his time to go.
Huh?
It was better for him to go than to stay doing Guru Seva because Maharaj, Shri Bhagwan Goswami Maharaj could have changed, no?
Everything depends on Krishna. And Krishna is the supreme. No one can do anything Krishna. Radhika, she served Krishna according to the desire of Krishna. Because Krishna's Ichha Shakti, who is Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika also Krishna's Ichha Shakti. Understand? And desire potency. And without Krishna, he is mental. Devadan Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, Krishna actual main thing, he is Brahma Bhagavan, Atmaram Aptakam. Atmaram and Aptakam. But his desires potency then working. So who is his desire potency? Ichha Sakti, after Srimati Radhika. So according to the desire of Krishna, Srimati Radhika, she serves everything. And another way we are saying Srimati Radhika, she is the pleasure potency of Krishna. The pleasure potency means is what? Desire potency. One word, synonym. Yeah? Understand? You want to play or in the water, water sporting. This desire coming. First desire, then you, what is called? Action coming. And you can swim in the water. So desire is the main thing. So Krishna in Upanishad say, what is slope? What is slope? Many times I am saying. Eko aham bahut sami. Upanishad. I am alone, but I am thinking my desire is coming, I want to become manifold. This is the desire principle. He is Parabrahma Bhagavan, Atmaram, Aptakam. Krishna is Bhagavan, his two activities are very prominent. That is called Atmaramata, Aptakamata. Atmaramata, Aptakamata. Simple, all is desire. Atmaram, Aptakamata. So this is. But the Atmaramata, Aptakamata is coming, then again Krishna is saying, no, I have to manifest many forms. Ekam bahusam. I will manifest many forms. Then Srimati Radhika and Baladev will manifest Deen Lila Katha. When Krishna was standing in one place, very nice, beautiful place of bank of Jamuna, then Krishna is thinking, I have to manifest many forms. Then Krishna's right hand shaking, then one kalpa Padasi manifest, another Baladev Prabhu manifest. Then Krishna's left hand manifest, a left hand starts shaking, then one very nice, beautiful young girl, she manifests and she runs. Then Krishna, he forgets his Atmaramata and Aptakamata. So he is Atmaram, Aptakam Purush, Atmaramasya Muna, Atmaram Purush. Then Krishna, he runs behind the young lady. So her name is called Radha. Krishna Anuradhana Dhavati Jatha iti Radha. When Krishna, he runs chasing behind her with deep attachment. What is the Ra? Dha means to run. Ra means Anurad. Dha means Dhavan. Dhavan means to run. Then Krishna, he runs behind to Srimati Radhika with deep attachment. For this result, her name is called Radha. Or another meaning, Krishna Aradhita, Krishna Aradhita iti Radha. Krishna himself worships whose lotus feet, that is called Radha. Our Goswami Acharya is giving the meaning of Radha. Anaya Radhito Nunang Bhagavan Hridishwara Janno Vihaya Govinda Janno Jamunataraha. Anaya Radhito. Anaya, go take one for here. Anaya Radhito. This is Radha Name.